We're here at the OD booth at KBIS, and I'm excited to show you our Dearborn space-saving sink drain kits. This product is really reinventing something that's been untouched for decades, under sink tubular, but it's really to help benefit both the homeowner and the installer. So if you'll take a look for me down here, this is an example of what you'll often see under your bathroom sink, especially if you're dealing with an offset drain location. You can see here where the offset is, and the way that the tubular comes out and the P-trap is really blocking and prohibiting most of your space under your sink. Up here, you can see our new sink drain kits that save you space by pushing the tubular as far back and as high up as possible, opening up space for you underneath the sink. This is great because vanity makers and homeowners alike are enjoying the idea of being able to actually put things like shelves and drawers under here to accommodate more items. It's also simplifying things for the installer and the plumber. Currently, when a plumber is dealing with an offset drain, they are having to cobble together different pieces of tubular to come up with their own solution. This is a much more cost-effective option, fully kitted with everything that you're gonna need. Components of this are telescoping. This is particularly useful for our kitchen double bowl configuration to allow you to accommodate different sizing that's needed. So that makes it easier. For the double bowl in the kitchen, you also can get it with or without the outlet for the dishwasher, as well as with or without the disposal. So those different pieces coming all together, it's going to allow you to have the flexibility that you need no matter what's going on in that configuration, simplifying what you have to stock on your truck and making sure that you have exactly what you need to maximize the space and the installation for the homeowner. So that's the Dearborn space-saving sink drain kits. They're coming late spring to Lowe's, and further distribution coming soon from there.